Hi there, Mr. Dobrovich and Mr. Dobrovich's wonderful students. I have a problem and I'm hoping you can help me think through and solve the problem using your computer programming and logical thinking skills. The problem essentially is one of location. Where students come to check in to see and ask for a guidance counselor is not within close proximity or visual proximity to where the guidance counselors actually reside and sit in their new office space. I'll show you that problem here in a second. So a student would come in to talk to Miss Moreno, who sits here, and ask to see a guidance counselor. And if you notice, the guidance counselor doesn't go for a walk with me. The guidance counselor's offices are out of visual range of the students. So this is where the guidance counselors are. And we've been asked by our principal and our superintendent that we don't want students to sit and wait in this area, nor do we want them waiting out in this space because they'd end up bothering the people who sit and work here. We really want the students to sit back where I came from. So can we think of a system where a student comes to check in at the guidance secretary's desk, and we have a tablet or a computer or something here that the student says, I want to see Mr. Amosquita, and then a email or a buzzer goes off or some sort of thing lets Mr. Amosquita know that someone's here to wait for him. And then maybe if another student comes in to see, there's now a queue that's formed. And also how to alert back here at the front desk that it's time for the next customer to go see Mr. Amosquita. Does that all make sense? In terms of possible resources that I can provide if it's needed, you could think that we can have tablets, a tablet or a Chromebook that's here at the front, and also that the guidance counselors could have a tablet or some sort of device, not necessarily their main computer, that we could use as well. If that becomes a technical need, we can solve that. And if there's monies that are needed for any bells and or whistles, we can also help pay for some of that. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to hear some of your solutions.